Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to add watermark to photo on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you love photography so much and you want that everyone knows what time you shot the photo and then what device you use for shooting the photo. Nah, don't need to be worried guys, because you can add watermark on your photo easily. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now let's get started the tutorial. Okay, first go to camera, and then here now you can shot the photo. This is for example, and there is no any watermark. And if you want to edit, now you can click on this one, and then now you can go to settings menu and then scroll down a little bit and you can activate watermark, and then you can adjust the model name, date and time. Okay, for example, I will shot the photo and the watermark will display like this. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you on next